Good morning, students. So in complex number chapter, we complete up to power of I. So in power of I, there are 4 parts are there: I to the power 4, I to the power 5, I to the power 6, or I to the power 7. In defined way, in defined form, we can find out the value, where the values are we get 1 minus 1, I and minus I, is not it? So now after completing the power of I, then the next one is here, the modulus of a complex number. So the modulus of a complex number is actually what we have to discuss here. After this, now we have to discuss, next one we have to discuss here the conjugate of a complex number, and then we have to discuss today how can we find out the multiplicative inverse. Is it clear? So one by one we have to start here, and the first one is now here, modulus of a complex number, is not it? So now first of all what you have to do, so any complex number, if we consider, suppose the complex number here we consider z equals to, this one we have to write here a plus ib. This one is z equal to a plus ib. Here we consider a complex number, and which one is of the form a plus ib, where a is the real part and ib is what? Ib is the imaginary part. Now modulus of z, so modulus of z is denoted by this symbol. You see here modulus of z. So modulus of z is denoted by this symbol, and now how can we find out this result here, modulus of z? So there is a definite property to find out this result, a plus ib. Later on more elaborately or more briefly we have to discuss this one. Now simply here what you have to do, modulus of z, this modulus of z, that means this one we have to write in this modulus of z equals to, the formula is like in this way, right? If z is a plus ib, then we have to write the real part square and imaginary part square we have to write. So that means simply we have to write here root over a square plus b square. This one is the general form. যদি এটা আমাক কমপ্লেক্স নাম্বার যদি দিয়া থাকে, যদি a প্লাস আইবি ফর্মত দিয়া থাকে বা a মাইনাস আইবি ফর্মত দিয়া থাকে, তেতিয়াহলে তাৰ ৰিজাল্ট সিম্পলি কি হয়, modulus of z equal to, তাৰ ৰিজাল্ট হ'ব root over a square plus b square. Is it clear? Okay. Now let's see some examples. How can we find out the modulus? So now here, if any complex number given, suppose z equal to, any complex number given here, suppose 2 plus 3i. If 2 plus 3i complex number given to us, so if anyone asks you to find out the modulus of z, so modulus of z equal to what you have to write here, 2 square plus 3 square we have to write. Is it clear? Again, this one is the first example. If you see another example, suppose z equals to a complex number given to us, which one is given, suppose 2 minus 3i. Is it clear? So in this case, if we find out the modulus here, in this case what you have to write, root over 2 square plus, actually here it is minus 3 into I, is not it? So that's why we can write here minus 3 whole square. That means if you see this result 2 minus 3i, we can rearrange this result like in this way, 2 plus I into minus 3. Can we write or not? So that means here a means what, 2, b means what, minus 3. So a square plus b square formula we have to apply here, and we get this result. So in this way, after calculating this result, easily we can find out the modulus here. Is it clear? So very simple here. If anywhere, if we get any complex number, so easily we can find out the modulus here. Is it clear? So here you see written it is conjugate of a complex number. So how can we find out a conjugate? Now let's see here. Suppose any complex number here we consider, suppose z equal to, we write a plus ib. In general form we write. Now conjugate of a complex number. Conjugate of a complex number is generally denoted by z bar. Remember, conjugate number, complex number etar conjugate to kiheদি represent kore, z bar di. So that means when we represent z bar, the meaning is what here, if the result is given in positive plus, as a plus sign aside, then we have to write here a minus ib. This one is known as conjugate. Is it clear? This one is the first example. If another complex number given, suppose z equal to a minus ib, suppose given to us, second time ki hol a minus ib suppose dia ase, titale yar conjugate, the conjugate is generally denoted by z bar, read as z bar. So the conjugate of this one is what we have to write here, a plus ib. Is it clear? Minus thakile tat plus hoy jabo, conjugate ulta to, aru plus thakile ki hoy jabo, minus hoy jabo. In some examples, if we consider an example here, suppose eta example talba, example is given, suppose z equal to 2 plus 3i, suppose So if anyone asks you to find out a conjugate, so without writing anything, you can directly write 2 minus 3i, or in some book written in this way also 2 plus 3i, then here the bar mentioned like in this way, and then after that this one written 2 minus 3i in this way written. Is it clear? So I think no need to write this one. If conjugate given, then directly z bar you write, and easily we can write 2 minus 3i. Is it clear? So in this way we can find out the conjugate here. So very simple here, modulus and conjugate. I think all of you understood this one, is not it? So after conjugate and complex, after conjugate and the modulus part here, the next one is here we have to discuss now the multiplicative inverse. So let's see how can we find out the multiplicative inverse. So in case of multiplicative multiplicative identity and multiplicative inverse we find out. So here the same thing we have to do here again, and from there we have to find out a relation in between multiplicative inverse, conjugate and the modulus. Is it clear? Now let's see. Now next one is the multiplicative inverse of a non-zero complex number. If a non-zero complex number means what? The zero complex number is what? 0 plus I0. So that's why we have to consider a non-zero complex number. So for a we have to find out the multiplicative inverse of a non-zero complex number. So how can you find out? Let's see. So now in this case, if we consider a complex number, suppose the complex number is, we consider z equals to a plus ib. So this one we consider here, suppose a plus ib. So in this case, if anyone asks you to find out the multiplicative inverse, so obviously what you have to write? Obviously we know what you have to write, 1 by z, or we have to write z inverse. Suppose we have to write this one is 1 by z. So for this z, 1 by z is what? The multiplicative inverse. All of you know this one. So in multiplicative identity and multiplicative inverse already we discussed this one. So 1 by z. So 1 by z means this one we have to write 1 by a plus ib. This one we have to write. So how can you find out this multiplicative inverse? And this 1 by z is also represented by z inverse, and which one is known as multiplicative inverse. So now in case of this one, 1 divided by a plus ib, what you have to do? We have to multiply it by their conjugate. So now here you see a plus ib. So what is the conjugate of a plus ib? Obviously a minus ib. So that's why with numerator and denominator we have to multiply it by their conjugate. So a minus ib divided by a minus ib. Is it clear? So now after multiplying this one, now you see here a plus ib and a minus ib. So here one result, if you see here a plus ib and a minus ib, so easily we can write it is of the form a plus b into a minus b. Is not it? So if a plus b into a minus b, if we write, then it is of the form a square minus b square. So in this case you see I into I square is there. So in place of I square what you have to write? Minus 1. So that's why without doing anything we can write this result like in this way. If you see here a plus ib into a minus ib. So if we write a plus ib into a minus ib, then this result we have to write here a square minus b square. B means what? Ib whole square. Or if you see here I square means what? Minus 1. So already minus is there. So minus what you have to write? Plus. So that's why we have to write a square plus b square. Is it clear? So this one is very important here. In case of a plus b, in case of real number we write a square minus b square, and in case of complex number what we write? A square plus b square. Is it clear? So that's why if you multiply these two, then we have to write here directly a square plus b square. Complex number hole plus hoy or real number hole ki hoy? Minus hoy. So that means here we write a minus ib. So now easily we can separate into two parts here. So the first part we have to write a divided by a square plus b square minus I into b divided by a square plus b square. So in this way we can separate this one into two parts. So that's how we have to write here a divided by a square plus b square, and minus of I here we have to write, and this one is we have to write b divided by a square plus b square. Is it clear? So it is of the form real part, imaginary part. If you see here, so it is of the form a minus ib or not. So this one is the multiplicative inverse. Is it clear? So this part is known as multiplicative inverse. So z inverse. So here we get this result, z inverse. Is it clear? Okay, now after finding the multiplicative inverse, now there is a relation between conjugate, then modulus, and the multiplicative inverse. So next we have to find out this result. Is it clear? Okay. Now the next one is relation between multiplicative inverse, conjugate, and modulus of a complex number. So now here this one is written here, multiplicative inverse, conjugate, and modulus of a complex number. So in this case already we find out Z inverse. So Z inverse equal to what we get here. So from the earlier result easily we can write here A minus IB divided by A square plus B square. You see here this result we get 1 by A plus IB, then after multiplying the conjugate we get this type of result. So here directly Z inverse equal to A minus IB divided by A square plus B square. So now if you see here, so here if Z is the complex number A plus IB, is not it? So what is the modulus here? So this one we have to write modulus of Z equals to, we have to write here root over A square plus B square. You see, if a complex number given to us, so the modulus, we have modulus of Z, we have to write in this way. Now scoring both sides, what we get here? If we scoring this on both sides, then square equal to, we have to write this one is A square plus B square. Is it clear? So one result this one. So again, if this one is a complex number here, Z equal to A plus IB, if we write down the conjugate, so Z bar equal to what you have to write here? A minus IB. Now the second one we have to write this one. So first one is modulus of Z, after squaring we get this result, and if we write conjugate then we write A minus IB. So in this case you see A minus IB is here. So in place of this A minus IB, what we can write? Z bar. So that's why we have to write this one is here, Z bar. Is it clear? And secondly here you see A square plus B square. So in place of A square plus B square, what we can write here? Modulus of Z square. So that's why we can write here modulus of Z square. Is it clear? So in the left hand side this one is Z inverse, or Z inverse means we can write this one is 1 by Z also. Is it clear? So that means here 1 by Z equal to Z bar divided by modulus of Z square we get. Clear? So now here after cross multiplying these two, now here what we get? Modulus of Z square. Modulus of Z square equal to Z into Z bar. Z into Z bar equal to what? Modulus of Z square. So this one is the relation between multiplicative inverse, modulus, and the conjugate of a complex number. This one is modulus here. This one is, you see here, a what? Complex number, and this one is conjugate. So actually what we get, 1 by Z is the multiplicative inverse. So you keep this in this way, or you can write the result like in this way. Is it clear? So this one is the relation between. So this one also we use as a formula. So jodi kobat jodi in place jodi ami modulus of Z square pai jao, that means complex number jodi pai jao, tar jagat ami ki likhibo parim? Z into Z bar. That means complex number conjugate. Or in, if anywhere if we get complex number and conjugate, then in place of this one what we can write? We can write modulus of Z square also. This one is a formula here. Is it clear? Now after finding conjugate, modulus, and multiplicative inverse, now the next one is some results are here, and these results we have to discuss here one by one. Okay, now the first result here, if we consider suppose two complex numbers, if we consider suppose two complex number, and the complex numbers are suppose first one is Z1 and another complex number we have to consider, which one is suppose Z2. So two complex number we have to consider. Ami ki koilo duta complex number consider koilo, Z1 and Z2. So the results are like in this way we get the first result, you see here, these results are later on we have to use. So modulus of jodi duta complex numbers jodi multiplication form thake, if two complex numbers are given in multiplication form, and modulus of Z1 into Z2. So modulus of Z1 into Z2, if anywhere, if we get, then easily we can separate this one into two parts. So modulus of Z1 into modulus of Z2. If you apply some results here, some values here, if you evaluate this, then you get the same result. Yar jitu result ulabo, yar result to eketai ulabo. Is it clear? So this one is the first result here, modulus of Z1 by Z2 equal to modulus of Z1 into modulus of Z2. Is it clear? So here another formula is for modulus, which one is for division. Suppose we get Z1 by Z2. If Z1 by Z2 here we get, remember modulus of Z2 is, this Z2 is not equal to 0. 0 হলে নহব z2 to কি হ'ব লাগিব 0 হ'ব নালাগিব so here modulus of z1 by z2 then easily we can separate into two parts so which one we have to write modulus of z1 and second one we have to write modulus of z2 is it clear so in this way also we can write so the third one is here now third one is in case of conjugate suppose z1 into z2 bar now let's see this one z1 into z2 bar to duita tas suppose if this type of results are if we get then easily we can separate into two parts so what we can write modulus of z1 into we can write modulus of z2 is it clear so in this way easily we can separate into two parts similarly here another property which one is z1 divided by z2 bar the bar z1 divided by z2 bar if this type of results are if anywhere we get so easily we can separate this bar that means we can write here z1 bar divided by z2 bar is it clear so in this way easily we can separate this one remember here z2 bar is not equal to 0 and here modulus of z2 is not equals to 0 clear so modulus of z2 is not equals to 0 hole ki hobo undefined ho jabo similarly here z2 bar is not equal to 0 is it clear so these two results are here very important so these four results are we have to use later on is it clear okay now let's take an example and here the question is given like in this way find the multiplicative inverse of 2 minus 3i so here what you have to find out we have to find out the multiplicative inverse of 2 minus 3i here let's see how can we find out this result so first of all if we consider the complex number here the complex number is given here so which one we have to write suppose let z equals to 2 minus 3i so we have to find out the multiplicative inverse of this result z equal to 2 minus 3i isn't it so now here what we have to do here multiplicative inverse so that means obviously z inverse or we have to write 1 by z so that's why we have to write here now 1 by z so 1 by z if we write then this result we have to write here 1 divided by 2 minus 3i this one we have to write 1 by z so now after writing this one now what you have to do here we have to multiply to rearrange this result because I is in denominator so we have to eliminate this I from the denominator so for that reason what you have to do here we have to multiply it by their conjugate so that means the result is here 1 divided by 2 minus 3i so if 2 minus 3i the conjugate of this 2 minus 3i is what 2 plus 3i so that's why we have to write here 2 plus 3i and 2 plus 3i we put this result these two cancel again remain same here to balance this result we have to multiply numerator and denominator so this one is the conjugate so after writing this conjugate now here if you see this one it is of the form a minus ib a plus ib so this type of result already we proved here if this type of results are we get what is the answer here a square plus b square so a means 2 so that's why we have to write 2 square plus b square b means what 3 square so simply or directly we can write the result like in this way any question here how can we write this result etu kenake likhilu buji pala na sobe yat ki koilu etu a minus ib aru a plus ib asile olob agot ami kori aisilu na a minus ib aru a plus ib hole result to ki hoy a square plus b square hoy to a mane 2 b mane kiman 3 here yat ami kana directly likhilu a square plus b square is it clear and the numerator part is here we have to write 2 plus 3i is it clear okay now here this one yes right here 4 9 this one 13 so 2 by 13 so this one you have to write 2 by 13 plus I aru yat hobo tomar result 3 by 13 so this one is z inverse is it clear so in this way we can find out the multiplicative inverse I think all of you understood this one multiplicative inverse jodi in case jodi amak kobat jodi uliabole die titole ami enike uliabole in some questions the questions are not given directly in the form of a plus ib ketiaba tumar multiplicative inverse uliabole ki hoy multiplicative inverse uliabor karone tumar a plus ib to directly dia na thake titia ami tat ki koibo laibo first of all we have to convert this one into a plus ib form titia ami prothome complex number to a plus ib form ole convert koi lobo laibo is it clear ami a plus ib form ole convert korar pisot তাৰ পিছত আমি কি কৰিব পাৰিম তাৰ পৰা মাল্টিপ্লিকেটিভ ইনভাৰ্স উলিয়াব পাৰিম is it clear now let us consider another example and the example is given like in this way if you see here express the following in the form of a plus ib ইয়াৰ অলপ আগতে আমি কোৱেশ্চনটোত কি কৈছিলো এটা মাল্টিপ্লিকেটিভ ইনভাৰ্স উলাইছিলো মই তাত এটা বস্তু কৈছিলো যদি a plus ib ফৰ্মত দিয়া নাথাকে তেতিয়ালে আমি কেনেকৈ তাৰ পৰা a plus ib ফৰ্মলৈ কনভাৰ্ট কৰিম so that's why here this question is given here and the question is express the following in the form of a plus ib and the question is what 5 plus root 2i divided by 1 minus root 2i is it clear so now first of all what you have to do so a plus ib form so now given here if you see the question here question to dia ase tomar kiman 5 plus root 2i so that means this one you have to write here 5 plus root over 2i and divided by the second one is given here 1 minus root 2i so that's why we have to write here 1 minus root over 2i is it clear so this one we have to write so now here first of all what you have to do now you see here in denominator I is here so obviously what you have to do we have to multiply it by their conjugate denominator jodi kenebake ami I dekhun titala yar conjugate to hoday ami ki korim multiply korim upor ji result ahok eko problem nai kintu denominator ami I to eliminate koribo lagibo for that reason here what you have to do this one is here 5 plus this one you have to write root 2i divided by 1 minus root 2i so into we have to multiply it by their conjugate so that's why we have to write here 1 plus root 2i is it clear to balance this result we have to write here 1 plus root 2i okay now you see here after writing this result now it is of the form a minus ib into a plus ib so easily we can write here what a square plus b square and the denominator numerator part what you have to do we have to multiply these two numerator ami multiply koribo lagibo duita aru denominator to a minus ib or a plus ib form ase so that's why what you have to do in denominator we can directly write a square plus b square so a square means 1 square plus b square means what root 2 so root 2 whole square clear so now in numerator what you have to do we have to multiply so 5 we have to multiply this whole part and then secondly we have to multiply this so we can directly write here 5 মই directly লিখি দিছো 1 plus this one you have to write root 2i plus second one is root 2i into what 1 plus of root 2i is it clear so 5 into 1 plus root 2i plus root 2i into 1 plus root 2i we have to multiply these two so now after calculating this result now let's see here 1 plus this one is 2 3 denominator to ahibo 3 aru upor kiman ahibo 5 this one is rational this one is irrational to rational aru irrational multiply koribo pari niki nori so that's why what you have to write here simply we have to write আমি মাল্টিপ্লাই কৰিম কিন্তু 5 to 2 লগত মাল্টিপ্লাই কৰিব নোৱাৰো সিম্পলি আমি মাল্টিপ্লাই কেনেকৈ কৰিম 5 to ইয়াৰ লগত সো মানে তোমাৰ ৰুট ওভাৰ ভিতৰত মাল্টিপ্লাই হৈ নাযায় remember this so here what you have to write 5 into root 2i so that's why we have to write plus 5 into root 2i is it clear plus now the next one is you see here root 2 into 1 that means we have to write this one is root 2i is it clear and now finally you see the last one is root 2 into root 2 2 i into I square so that's why we have to write 2i square is it clear okay now here after writing this one I square means what minus 1 if I square is minus 1 here minus 1 into 2 minus 2 so 5 minus 2 3 here so we can directly write down the result ইয়াত যদি আমি ৰিজাল্টটো যদি ডাইৰেক্ট লিখো 3 ইয়াত কিমান আহিব 3 বুজি পাব না সবে 5 ৰ লগত 2 মাইনাস কৰিলো similarly here 5 root 2 root 2i so 5 root 2 already there and root 2 is there so 6 root 2 we can write so that's why we have to write plus 6 root 2i is it clear so now if you separate this one 3 by 3 and 6 root 2 by 3i so in this way we can separate and then in this way we get the a plus ib form. Is it clear? So finally the answer is what we get here, 3 by 3, 1 plus 2 root 2i, 1 plus 2 root 2i we get here. Is it clear? So in this way, if any question given to you, so we have to multiply by their conjugate, or like in this way we have to arrange, and finally we get a plus ib form. Is it clear? Okay, now the next example is here, the example given here, convert into again a plus ib form. Clear? Express the, here the question is given, you see here, express the following in the form of a plus ib, and the question is given for I to the power minus 35. So now here the question is given I to the power minus 35. I to the power minus 35. So we have to convert this one into a plus ib form. So first of all, you see here, since we know when we write down the power I to the power 4k, I to the power 4k plus 1, I to the power 4k plus 2, and where we mention k is what? A positive integer. But if you see here, the question is given here I to the power minus 35. If it is I to the power minus 35, then how can we write this result? So now in this case, what you have to do, I to the power minus 35, that means we can write this result in this way also, I to the power 35. In class 8, this type of results already we get A inverse equal to what? 1 by A, isn't it? So that's why I to the power minus 35 means we can write 1 by I to the power 35. Then easily we can convert this one into multiple of 4. So 35 of the multiple of 4 hole ami convert kori diu, titihole ami ya kontu form or result ahibo ami gom pai jam. So I to the power 4 into how many times? 9. 4 9s are 36, but here it is given 35. So that means 8. 4 is a 32 plus 3. 4 into 8 plus 3. Is it clear? If 4 into 8 plus 3, now it is of the form. Now it is of the form I to the power 4k plus 3. 4 multiple of 4 convert koilo noy. So 4 into 8 plus 3. So 4k plus 3. And what is the answer of this result? Your result to kiman asile? I to the power 4k plus 3 hole. Obviously minus I. So that means here we have to write this one is minus I. Is it clear? So kunuba ta mok khudisile question ta, how can we get I cube equal to minus I? A question to khudisile mok kunuba. So I cube equal to minus I. Now let's see here how very simple this one, I cube equal to minus I, isn't it? So I cube equal to minus I means what you have to write? I square into I. I square means what? Minus 1. So minus 1 to I log multiply korile minus I hobo niki. So I cube equal to minus I. In this way we get. And one more question asked there. Aru question hodisile mok. What is the difference between real and imaginary? So very simple, real and imaginary. How can we identify? So real part, if you see the discriminant to zeta b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then obviously a positive value, then it is what? Real. If b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then it is what? Negative. Negative hole ki hol? Imaginary. So this one is the difference between real and imaginary. So starting prothom dinai koisilu complex numbers separate into two parts, real and imaginary, isn't it? So from there easily we can identify real and imaginary. So I to the power 4k plus 3, I to the power 4k plus 3 means this one, this result we get here minus I. So that means it is of the form 4k plus 3. So the whole, in place of whole result, what you have to write? Obviously we have to write minus I. So that's what you have to do, 1 divided by minus of I. So again I is in denominator. I to ako denominator thaki gol. So we have to eliminate. Moi agote koisilu I ketiao denominator na thake. I khoday ko thaibo numerator, because a complex number is of the form a plus ib, isn't it? So that's why here we have to eliminate this I again from here. So I to eliminate koribo karone very simple here, by conjugate multiply korile hol. So what is the conjugate here? This one is moi yat likhisu next step. So 1 minus of I. So minus I conjugate I. To balance this result, we have to write here I. Is it clear? So I into I what? I square. I square means what? Minus 1. So minus minus plus. Ultimately what will remain here? 1 into I. The answer is I. Is it clear? So if this type of powers, if we get I to the power minus 35, then we have to do like in this way. Is it clear? Eto I square বুজি পালা না? I square I into I square মানে minus 1, already minus eta ase, minus minus plus here. So ultimately we get the result is I. Is it clear? Okay. So now in this way, lots of questions are given in your revision class. Friday at a revision class at tumalko bahut kini questions dia hoisile. Hey question kini actually NCERT bookor nohoy. Ekhini question bahiro pa dia hoise. So ami jitia eta chapter korim Monday Tuesday we do some questions from the exercise or from NCERT book, and in Friday hoday ami kisuman new question enake notun question kori goi thakim. Is it clear? So in our next class we start our exercise 5.1 to ami exercise to korim, and if you are complete the exercise to video to tolote comment box ot likhi diba kar complete hol. Jodi tumalke bhaba je exercise to nokorilo hoi jabo, if you feel jodi tumalke jodi nokorilo hobo boli bhabisa titia done boli likhi dile hol, ba jodi kunuba question jodi thaki goise exercise 5.1 or pra ta comment box ot likhi diba je egita question amak kori dile hobo, because eta take question kori thakile bahut time gusi jabo. To jodi ji gita tumalke noara question ase he gita jodi tat mention kori dia titia hole easily ami next class ot kori lobo pari. Is it clear? Okay, thank you.